How to delete additional profile on Facebook. So first is to launch the Facebook application. Then tap on the three horizontal lines located on the upper right corner. Then tap on the gear icon located on the upper right corner. Now tap the Account Center and then select Personal Details, which is under Account Settings. And then go to Account Ownership and Control. Now select the activation or deletion. And make sure to select the correct account. Then select Delete Account. And then continue. So Facebook will ask you the reason why you want to delete your account. So just select your reason. And then tap on Continue. Then tap on Continue. So scroll down. So before you permanently delete your Facebook account, Facebook will be giving you the option to download your Facebook information and as well as transfer a copy of your information. So scroll down and then hit the Continue button. Now enter your password and then hit Continue. So Facebook will give you 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion if ever you change your mind. So just tap on Delete Account. And so that is how you delete additional profile on Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.